Welcome back. Let's review the Advanced Vocabulary List 5. In this session, you will learn 50 words. 51. Halcyon. Meaning: peaceful, calm, tranquil. Usage: the vacation was a halcyon experience. 52. Harangue. Meaning: long, passionate speech. Tirade. Lecture. Usage: the teacher's harangue left the students silent. 53. Hedonism. Meaning: pursuit of pleasure, sensual self-indulgence. Epicureanism. Usage: his lifestyle was marked by hedonism. 54. Hegemony. Meaning: dominance, leadership, supremacy. Usage: the country maintained its hegemony in the region. 55. Iconoclast. Meaning: challenger of traditions, rebel, nonconformist. Usage: he was known as an iconoclast for his radical ideas. 56. Ignoble. Meaning: dishonorable, base, lowly. Usage: his ignoble actions brought shame to his family. 57. Impassive. Meaning: emotionless, unmoved, indifferent. Usage: she remained impassive. 58. Imperious. Meaning: domineering, overbearing, authoritative. Usage: his imperious attitude made him unpopular. 59. Ineluctable. Meaning: inevitable, unavoidable, inescapable. Usage: the consequences were ineluctable. 60. Inimical. Meaning: hostile, unfriendly, harmful. Usage: the inimical environment made it difficult to survive. 61. Insipid. Meaning: dull, uninteresting, bland. Usage: the soup was insipid and lacked flavor. 62. Internecine. Meaning: mutually destructive, conflict within a group, deadly. Usage: the internecine war devastated the country. 63. Inveterate. Meaning: habitual, deep-rooted, ingrained. Usage: he was an inveterate gambler. 64. Invidious. Meaning: offensive, hateful, likely to cause resentment. Usage: his invidious remarks offended everyone. 65. Languid. Meaning: sluggish, lacking energy, weak. Usage: she felt languid after the long journey. 66. Libertine. Meaning: morally unrestrained, dissolute, hedonistic. Usage: the libertine lifestyle was frowned upon. 67. Lugubrious. Meaning: gloomy, mournful, sad. Usage: his lugubrious expression worried his friends. 68. Maladroit. Meaning: clumsy, inept, awkward. Usage: his maladroit handling of the situation made things worse. 69. Martinet. Meaning: strict disciplinarian, taskmaster, authoritarian. Usage: the coach was a martinet who tolerated no mistakes. 70. Mendicant. Meaning: beggar, destitute, needy. Usage: the mendicant asked for alms on the street. 71. Munificent. Meaning: generous, lavish, liberal. Usage: her munificent donation helped many people. 72. Nadir. Meaning: lowest point, rock bottom, lowest ebb. Usage: he reached the nadir of his career. 73. Nascent. Meaning: emerging, developing, beginning. Usage: the nascent industry showed great promise. 74. Obdurate. Meaning: stubborn, unyielding, inflexible. Usage: his obdurate refusal to change his mind was frustrating. 75. Obfuscate. Meaning: confuse, make unclear, obscure. Usage: the lawyer's arguments were meant to obfuscate the issue. 76. Obstreperous. Meaning: noisy, unruly, disorderly. Usage: the obstreperous crowd was hard to control. 77. Obviate. Meaning: prevent, eliminate, make unnecessary. Usage: the new medical treatment obviated the need for surgery. 78. Palliate. Meaning: relieve, alleviate, soothe. Usage: the medication helped to palliate the patient's pain. 79. Panacea. Meaning: cure-all, universal remedy, solution for all problems. Usage: there is no panacea for all the world's problems. 80. Paragon. Meaning: model of excellence, ideal example, epitome. Usage: she was considered a paragon of virtue. 81. Parsimonious. Meaning: stingy, frugal, economical. Usage: his parsimonious nature made him unpopular. 82. Pejorative. Meaning: derogatory, disparaging, negative. Usage: the pejorative term offended many people. 83. Penurious. Meaning: poor, destitute, impecunious. Usage: the penurious family struggled to make ends meet. 84. Perfunctory. Meaning: done without care, routine, superficial. Usage: his perfunctory effort was evident in the poor results. 85. Pernicious. Meaning: harmful, destructive, deadly. Usage: the pernicious influence of drugs was evident. 86. Perspicacious. Meaning: insightful, perceptive, astute. Usage: her perspicacious analysis was appreciated by all. 87. Petulant. Meaning: irritable, peevish, bad-tempered. Usage: the petulant child threw a tantrum. 88. Phlegmatic. Meaning: calm, unemotional, composed. Usage: his phlegmatic demeanor helped him in stressful situations. 89. Piquant. Meaning: spicy, stimulating, provocative. Usage: the piquant flavor of the dish was delightful. 90. Platitude. Meaning: cliché, trite remark, overused expression. Usage: his speech was full of platitudes. 91. Plethora. Meaning: excess, overabundance, surplus. Usage: there was a plethora of food at the banquet. 92. Polemic. Meaning: controversial argument, debate, dispute. Usage: the article sparked a polemic on social media. 93. Proclivity. Meaning: inclination, tendency, predisposition. Usage: he had a proclivity for getting into trouble. 94. Promulgate. Meaning: announce, proclaim, make known. Usage: the new law was promulgated by the government. 95. Propensity. Meaning: tendency, inclination, predisposition. Usage: she had a propensity for hard work. 96. Prosaic. Meaning: ordinary, dull, unimaginative. Usage: his prosaic writing style lacked flair. 97. Pugnacious. Meaning: combative, aggressive, belligerent. Usage: his pugnacious attitude often led to conflicts. 98. Quiescent. Meaning: inactive, dormant, tranquil. Usage: the volcano was quiescent for many years. 99. Rancorous. Meaning: bitter, resentful, malicious. Usage: their rancorous relationship affected everyone around them. 100. Recalcitrant. Meaning: uncooperative, defiant, resistant. Usage: the recalcitrant student refused to follow the rules.